So it's one of these days, no report, slow action, never kick a sleeping dog. The low of the day was 112.19 and we had 112.17 as a possible daily low. And the intraday shows that this 112.18 was done here, and it's good. It's a good line here that has happened in the past, and I think if it comes back to touch it and we get to 17, that's good enough. It might also just go up from this 19 and I had 17, and that's good enough. So if coming back down and close to that line or not below and 17 is made, that would be a buy. A buy with a target of having the second daily resistance, 1260. What if it goes lower? Then according to the daily resistance that was made earlier today, 1249, could go as low as 1170 or lower. So first buy would be 1170, 1153. 1126 would be the a great buy for the week and some position to keep as a buyer. What if it's going up? What if it's going up from 112.19? It will not go to 12.17 and keep edging up. Then we have two clear daily resistance, 12.64.63 and 12.79. They are strong. And have to see how the intraday here develop when it arrives to this level, and if the EA 1 hour gives a signal, then it should be an entry. The potential of going from the 112.19 low, it's to go up to 113.10, which means that if you want to be on the safe side, I guess you sell the last daily resistance. But again, if the EA gives a signal on it, and if the RSI doesn't say no, it's good enough for something. I kind of feel that nothing is gonna be done. It's just not doing much. But if it's doing something, we have our target. Coming back down to 12.17, not lower than this line on the RSI, and confirmation on the EA. On the upside, the same RSI confirmation on the EA for 12.63 and 12.79, and that's it for the day.